a box on the Encore edition of Tiny Tan.
So we're gonna start with the top
Top
one.
ones.
Mine. Joku.
Whoa.
Kita mo dito ba yun?
What's that, Kuya B?
V.
It's V.
That's
Where?
Joku.
Whoa. Good. He's a good looking.
Next, let's just put it back.
Have a bucket
Bucket
hat.
hat.
Let's
Oh, later na, later.
Let's
Yung,
just put it back after I record a short.
No, ganyan lang muna, Kuya B.
Next one.
The other na.
J-Hope.
Sino yan? Si
My
J-Hope.
favorite.
Yeah, that's
My favorite J-Hope.
Kuya B, wag mo ibabalik yung ano. Ayun, no, ganun kay Blake.
Let's put the cards.
Put the card yan. Para makita nila.
B. Binalik niya.
We're just going to.
You just put it there. Ayun, no, ganun kay Blake. Tayo mo, tayo.
My favorite Jimin.
Si Jimin.
Nakatatlo na siya, ikaw.
I got all three of them.
Tayo mo sa tapat niya. Ayun, no, ganun, no.
Ay, the plastic.
Ilagay mo lang dyan.
Next one.
My favorite D.
Itayo mo ng maayos, anak.
Put it here. Just like that.
Equals.
Jin right here. Jin is right
Or
here.
M.
Jin.
Or M.
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's RM.
Or M. And finally, I got it.
Let's do
The other one.
Next
Who's
What
that?
is the
The last one is
Suga.
Suga. Whoa.
The head. The head is turned the wrong direction.
Si Suga.
Wow.
Sugar.
Tiga. Pumutatak.
Need to hold it.
Tinapak.
Okay.
Huwag mo hawakan yung camera dyan, ano. Ito talaga.
Alright.
Ayun na, natakpan.
Watching.
Sige, watch mo.
Tapat mo doon sa mukha nila,
Now, please like and subscribe.